Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to your Blogger site. And let's get started. First things now, head over to your Blogger dashboard. On the left-hand side, find the Settings menu and click on it. Scroll down until you see the Custom Domain option under the Publishing section. This is where the magic happens. Click on Custom Domain and a field will pop up. Here, you'll enter your full domain name, including the www part. So, for example, type www.yourfootball.com. Open your GoDaddy account and find the Domains section. For me, my domain is uaafootball.com, so I'll use that as an example. Click on your domain name, and then look for the DNS or Manage DNS option. Usually it's a tab or button right next to your domain details. Once you're in the DNS section, you'll need to enter your full domain like www.uaafootball.com. At this point, you should have your Blogger dashboard open from the previous step, where you saw a pop-up with some DNS settings. Blogger will provide 2 CNAME records that you need to add. These records are like instructions that connect your domain to Blogger's servers. In GoDaddy, click to add a new record and select CNAME from the drop-down menu. You'll see fields for name and destination. Carefully copy the name and destination values from Blogger into these fields. Double-check for accuracy because even a small mistake can cause problems. Once everything looks good, hit Save to lock in your changes. Please follow the steps carefully. They're very clear, and the result is awesome. All you need to do is add the 2 CNAME records and delete the others.